Welcome to TeamingPro. Here's a quick overview on how to use the TeamingPro pipeline to organize and grow your federal contracting business. You can add an opportunity or contract to your pipeline from many locations throughout the site, or you can add a record manually. The pipeline will check for daily government updates while you invite and build your teams and move the opportunity through the pipeline buckets. You can invite companies in a few different ways to your pipeline record. The AUTOCONNECT button will coordinate and invite matching, qualified companies from our growing TeamingPro network, and interested companies come back quickly. Or you can add a company manually from within the TeamingPro network. Companies can now share notes, upload documents, and be assigned to and complete tasks, all in a coordinated online business development effort. The pipeline will take care of sending all appropriate alerts to all team members, keeping everyone easily informed. For more information, please refer to our video training library. Thanks for watching.